Ego Power Trimmer, unboxing, installation, and review. Unboxing time lapse. The Ego Weed Eater comes with the folding trimmer, a 2.5 amp hour battery charger, and the manuals for these products. It also comes with a bolt with pre-applied Loctite, an adjustable hand grip, and a trimmer guard with an automatic line trimmer. The first thing I did was plug in the charger and install the battery. The light on the battery flickers green, orange, and red when it's in charging mode. While in operating mode, the green light indicates the battery has more than 15% of life left. The solid red light indicates the battery has low voltage, and a flashing red light indicates that the battery needs to be charged. The battery charger also has some indicator lights. Flashing green means the battery is charging, solid green means the battery is charged, flashing red means a defective battery, and a solid red means that the battery is too warm to charge at this point.
Installation is super easy. I started out by unfolding the trimmer itself. With the trimmer unfolded, I pressed slightly down on the carbon fiber shaft to line up the bolt hole and then installed the provided bolt. The trimmer comes with an automatic line feeder for installing Weed Eater string easily, and it looks like it has the standard press down for more line feature found on most modern Weed Eaters. I will go over in more detail how this works later in the video. The adjustable handle has 4 Allen key bolts and can be installed on the lower half or upper section of the carbon fiber shaft. This handle can be adjusted by loosening the bolts and sliding it up or down, then retightening the bolts after finding the desired position. There is 2 Allen key bolts that fit into a pre-molded position for the guard to be permanently attached. The trigger has a 2-button safety switch to prevent unwanted startups of the electric motor. Overall performance. I am quite impressed at the performance of this trimmer. This thing had no problem tackling large overground weeds and has enough torque to tackle several weeds in one swipe. The 2.5 amp hour battery lasted 16 minutes of straight use before it went into low voltage mode. The performance in low voltage mode seemed as good as normal, but I didn't keep running it to see how long it would still work. Pressing down on the end of the Weed Eater acts like a clutch, releasing the coiled up line to spin freely. This only works when the trimmer is at full RPM because it requires centrifugal force to work. Here is a demo of extending the feeder line. You will have to remove the cap when putting new line in. Feed the line through the trimmer head until you have an even amount through both sides. Press the button on the bottom of the shaft to feed the line into the Weed Eater. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments below. Take the time to like and subscribe to the video if you enjoyed it, and have a great day.